What are the three most important things for our survival? Well, they are air, water, and food. You cannot survive without air for more than 3 minutes, and you cannot survive without water for more than 3 days, and you cannot survive without food for more than 30 days. So they are the most important things for our survival. Now, how do we get all these things in our body, and then how do we extract energy from all these things? Well, for that we have different systems in our body. So for air, we have the respiratory system. With the help of respiratory system, we take in oxygen rich air and extract oxygen from it, which is important for our body. Now, what about the food? Well, food is taken care by the digestive system. So the digestive system extracts all the important juices, energy rich juices from the food, and it is provided to different parts of the body. But once these things are extracted into our body, how do they reach to different parts of the body? For that, we have the circulatory system. Now, what does the circulatory system do? Well, it allows the flow of all these nutrients and oxygen, whatever we take in, to different parts of the body. So, all these organs together make up the circulatory system, and what they do is they allow the flow of blood to different parts of the body. All these different nutrients and oxygen are carried to different parts of the body with the help of blood. Now, here is heart, which is at the center of the circulatory system. It is the most important organ of the circulatory system. And what does it do? Well, heart pumps blood to the different parts of the body. Now, once it pumps blood to all parts of the body, then oxygen rich blood reaches to different parts of the body. And then the used up blood, that is where oxygen has been used up, in that all these parts deposit carbon dioxide, which comes back to the lungs from where it goes out of the body through exhalation. So heart is the reason why the blood is pumped to all parts of the body. So heart is a pump like organ in our body. Just like you can see, the hand pump pumps water. Similarly, heart pumps blood in our body, and blood flows continuously in our body because heart continuously pumps blood in our body. Now, apart from the pump, we also need different pipes. For example, in your home, there are different pipes which allow the water to reach different parts of the house. For example, you need pipes in kitchen, in washroom, because you need water at all these places. So pipe are responsible for transporting the water that is pumped in your house to different parts of your house. So these pipes are also very important for supplying water into your house. Similarly, in our body, there are two types of blood vessels. So these blood vessels are nothing but very similar to pipes in our houses. So just like pipes transport water to different parts of the house, similarly, these blood vessels transport blood to different parts of the body. Now, in our homes, there are two types of pipes. They are freshwater pipes and wastewater pipes. Now, what do freshwater pipes do? Well, they carry fresh water that can be used by us. And once we have used the water, then it flows out of our house through the wastewater pipes. So you see, we have two types of pipes in our house. Similarly, even the blood vessels are of two types. One are the arteries and the other are the veins. Now, how are they different? Well, arteries carry oxygenated blood, that is oxygen rich blood, to different parts of the body, while veins carry deoxygenated, that is used up blood, where oxygen has been used up and waste gas such as carbon dioxide has been deposited, and this carries that blood towards the heart. So there are fresh water and wastewater pipes in our house. Similarly, we have fresh blood and used up blood vessels in our body. So they are arteries and veins. So arteries carry oxygen rich blood to all parts of the body. So all parts of the body need oxygen, and that is carried by the arteries. And once the oxygen has been used up, these parts deposit used up gases or waste gases such as carbon dioxide. So veins carry blood filled with carbon dioxide, and they carry this towards the heart so that it can again get oxygenated. So arteries carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. And what do veins do? Well, veins carry blood from different parts of the body to the heart. And that's how arteries and veins are different from each other. So both transport blood, but one transports blood from heart to different parts of the body, while veins transport blood from different parts of the body towards the heart. Now, how does the circulatory system works in our body? That is, how does the blood get circulated in our body? Well, this is the entire mechanism. So as you can see clearly, that heart is at the center because it pumps blood. Now, when heart pumps blood, then the blood goes to rest of the body. So blood flows from here, from the heart, and goes to the rest of the body. And this blood is oxygen rich blood. So all the different organs get oxygen from this blood which flows from the heart. Now, once it reaches rest of the body, that is, once the blood transports all the oxygen to different organs, at the same time, it also collects waste products such as carbon dioxide, and then it transports it back to the heart. Now from here, heart pumps it to the lungs. So all the carbon dioxide rich blood goes to lungs. Now here, what lungs does is, it throws carbon dioxide, which is a waste product for our body, out of the body. And the same lungs again collect oxygen and they transport it back to the heart. So heart again gets oxygen rich blood here, and then this blood is again transported to rest of the body. And this is a cycle which continuously goes on, and that's why we have oxygen getting transported to different parts of the body, and also the waste products such as carbon dioxide go out of the body. So here in the lungs, exhalation happens where all the unwanted products go out of the body, and through inhalation we get oxygen which goes to the heart. So blood is the carrier here and heart is the pump which allows the blood to flow in the body. So in our circulatory system, we have the heart, which is a very important organ because it pumps blood to entire body. So it allows the blood to flow continuously, and blood is the carrier of oxygen as well as waste gases. Now, how does the blood flow? That is, what is the route or how does it get transported? Well, it is transported through veins and arteries. So what do veins and arteries do? Well, they are responsible for the flow of blood to different parts. They are the route of the blood. So blood travels to and from different organs of the body using veins and arteries. And what is the entire process? This is the entire process of circulatory system. So we have heart which pumps blood to different parts of the body. that is oxygen rich blood to different parts of the body, and then again this blood goes back to the heart, and this time it carries all the waste gases which go to lungs and they move out of the body. And this is how circulatory system allows our body to function continuously. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.